Today we fully test the 6 to 18 GHz 50-watt power amplifier chassis, including overdrive protection, VSWR protection, overtemperature protection, and one-key reset function. We feed swept signals from the signal generator and check power via spectrum analyzer. We gradually boost input power and monitor real-time output with a power meter to verify all protection mechanisms. Power on the chassis first. All frequency points output power above 47 dBm with stable performance shown on the spectrum analyzer. Then we increase input power step by step. A buzzer goes off, the overdrive warning light turns red, and output power drops sharply, which means overdrive protection activates. Press the reset button to clear alarms. The unit returns to standby and works normally again. Next, test VSWR protection. Lower the threshold to 4, power on the amp and raise input power while VSWR rises. When hitting the threshold, the VSWR warning light turns red and power falls, activating VSWR protection. Press reset again to clear alarms, and the device restores standby status. Finally, test overtemperature protection. Set threshold to 45 degrees Celsius. After running for a while, temperature hits the limit, the overtemp light turns red and power drops. The amplifier module shuts down while cooling fans keep running. Alarms clear automatically once temperature drops below the limit for normal operation. Message us anytime if you need full specifications and function details of this power amplifier chassis.